Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create a group chat on Talkie Soulful AI. Now, if you want to do a group chat on Talkie Soulful AI, it is very easy. All you need to do is, of course, open the app on your device, and on the bottom of the screen, tap on the profile icon. It is the very right side, lower right corner of the screen, like so, and it's going to be showing your profile. Now, what you want to do next is tap on create group chat by Talkie. It says here create group chat, so you can do 5 each week. So tap this, and here you can just choose public or unlisted, group chat name, group chat description, right? And you could add group chat members, so you could add like chatbots AI that you have liked, right? And then you could choose add relationship, right? So let's add these two for this example. You could add tags, right? So fantasy, anime, cartoon, let's just anime, for example. Add relationship, so Becky is Seraphina's, you could just choose whatever, like sister or whatever, or a lover. And then you can have the prologue and how they greet you when you start the group chat, and then just tap confirm and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.